All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Dragon Touch decided to send me their MAX10 Plus tablet. So it's got a quantum dot display, octa-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs onboard storage, Android 10, and it's 10.1 inch display with a 1080p by 1200 resolution. GPS, 5G, Wi-Fi, it says, metal body, and this is 169 bucks. And right now, the recording of this video, which is the 10th of March, you can get $15 off of that price. So let's get this thing kind of cracked open here, and we'll see what it's looking like. We'll get it all set up. I'm always kind of happy to get these in because, you know, I'll review them and give them away to my nieces and nephews or my grandchildren. You can never have too many goodies. If you're the grandpa with the tech stuff, you know, they know that they're going to get something good. So again, here's all the specifications down here. It says 5G on the Amazon link. So I don't know if this has a SIM card or not, but 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside, and that's it. Yeah, I don't think this has LTE or anything like that. So let's crack it open here. Packaged very well, that's for sure. Here's the tablet. It's probably got a screen protector. Yep, it does. And let's see here, remote to thin film. It's talking about all that. Here's the power button. We'll take a look around it. Oh man, that's a serious vibration on there. In the box though, you just get charging cable and instructions, and that's it. It's an Android tablet, so it doesn't take much to set up an Android tablet. So I will show you the tablet itself. And so here's the headphone jack, power button, volume rocker, microphone down there. You got that's a grip around the edges. I really like that. And then nothing on this side, and Type-C up here on the top. And let's see what's in here. You have SIM card slots. They're blocked off though. Okay, I was about to say. So you have an SD card. So there's an option for 5G more than likely. This model does not have 5G. I was thinking, whoa, so they have 5G in here, but that would have been pretty cool. But no, this model does not have 5G. This is just the regular standard model. So let's get this peeled off here. I'm gonna get this set up. Let's get this. I won't worry about that right now. It's just some braiding on the back, Dragon Touch. So I'm gonna get this all set up. And I guess it's gonna be default like this. I get this all set up. There's a camera on the front right there. Let me see here. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. I don't see any specs on the cameras, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this all set up, and then I'll be right back. So as suspected, you know, you're only getting 480p on this front camera. This is about what I would expect for something like this. And these tablets that I get like this, 480p is all you get on the front, and 720p on the rear. And I'll show you that now. All right, so here is 720p for the rear cameras. You tell me what you think about these quality of cameras. They're definitely not good at all for, like if you're gonna do any kind of production or anything like that. You might be able to get away with some video chat with these, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so I've got it signed in, installed a couple of the applications for social media, and we're gonna take a quick run through of this tablet. Now, when you're thinking of tablets like this, I mean, I've been playing with it for a little bit now since I've come back, since the initial start of the video. And, you know, this is an affordable tablet. This isn't some tablet that you're gonna buy that's gonna just be so mind-blowing and it's speedy super fast. Don't look for that when you're buying this tablet if you choose to pick it up. Just know you're getting a budget-friendly tablet that's going to be able to give you social media content, watch movies, you know, things like that. So with that in mind, now that you know that, the tablet is going to have Android 10, but let's get into the settings first. Here is everything that's here. Now, I only installed Instagram and Twitter right now, and then I just kind of set the homepage up how I'll use it. So I changed the wallpaper. It had a really hideous wallpaper. This wallpaper shows how beautiful the display could possibly be for you. Very nice, crystal clear. I really like it. And we'll watch a video here in just a second to give you some sense of the speakers and everything on here. But it does have Type C on here, and I'm kind of surprised at that because most of these tablets like this don't have Type C. But let's get into the settings. First here, this is all this on here. I don't see any bloatware, which I'm pretty surprised. It appears to just be running regular old stock Android. So let's get into the settings here. So you got your Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and put it in this orientation, make it a little easier on you. So you got your Wi-Fi right here. You got your network and internet and everything there. No NFC or anything like that. Obviously, you got your Bluetooth, and you've got your apps and recent apps in here. You can see everything that's going on here. You got your battery. It came fairly charged, actually. I was kind of surprised that it came at 95. It came at 94%, and so yeah, it's good to go. That's your battery. You have ultra power saving mode too in here, which is pretty cool. I saw that as I swiped down in here, and I clicked here, and then you have ultra power saving mode. I wonder if I long press. I got to ultra power saving mode some kind of way in here. Let me see. How did I get to ultra power saving mode? I'll have to circle back around to, but it does have some kind of ultra power saving mode, which I thought was pretty cool. So you've got your display. Let's go ahead and turn on dark theme. That definitely would help a little bit with the way everything's looking. You got your wallpaper, your color contrast. You can adjust that here. I just left it to standard, but you can do it how you want to do it on there. Timeout after, let's just go 30 minutes. This is a tablet. It's gonna have a big battery. Font size, you can change the font size and everything on here. You can change the display size. You can make it smaller, whatever you want to do. Got your lock screen, screensaver, you know, the basics. And let me see what the brightness is right now. So the brightness is at 80% on there, so it gives you some sense on there. Sound and vibration. These speakers are kind of loud on here because it was giving me some notifications as I was setting it up, and I was like, wow, this is fairly loud. And then you've got your privacy, your storage. It's got 7 gigs used, and only 6.9 is used for the system. And then I installed 2 apps, and that's pretty much it. You see nothing else is taken up. Nothing else is taken up on here. So bear that in mind. You only got 32 gigs, but you do have an SD card slot. And other than that, man, this is just a basic Android tablet. So let's go into some of the accessibility and see if there's some quirks in here and things we can mess with. Let's go into smart controls. So you've got lift tablet to check time and date. You've got smart motion, flip to mute. That shows you how to do that. So it's got, you know, a couple little things in here. Let's check. Oh, let's go into about, and let's see. So 3 gigs of RAM, as you can see there. It's on June 5th, 2020 security patch. That's last year sometime. You got 3 gigs of RAM. Let's go to system and let's check for an update real quick. See if there's any kind of updates on here. All right, so as I suspected. So let's check out some content on here. Apps, oops, I had it upside down. Apps are fairly fast on here. It has facial recognition too. I put in a pin, but that opens with my face. So see how it unlocked right there? Let me see if you see that. And then it just unlocked on its own. I'm not pressing anything. And it gives you a little vibration that it unlocked. I think that's pretty dope, surprisingly. So we're gonna go ahead and open up my last video on this channel here. Let's see here. Let's sign in here. And let's go to video. And we'll go here. This is the last video I did.
Want to manage your credit cards, bank accounts?
Yeah, the speaker seems pretty nice. It's like I think it has stereo speakers. It looks like it's coming from the bottom of the speaker down there. Bottom of the tablet.
So it's a little bit of a windy day, but
they're facing you. That's what it is.
I passed 1,500 miles, and it's been great. I haven't done any kind of. I don't plan on.
Now this is
driving at 200.
obviously this is obviously upscaling to 4K because the YouTube app now allows you to do so. But take a listen to these speakers.
Got a good burnout, and I do want to race a couple of cars. So funny story already. I was on the highway.
So
yesterday, late in the evening, it's probably 9.
Turn it off. Yeah, turn it off. There we go. Skip. But overall, man, I think the display is beautiful. I don't know why it crashed on that video for some reason. Didn't want to play that video. Strange. Overall, the display is beautiful, like I thought it would be. It's not bad at all. I like it a lot. So this tablet, man, is just gonna be, for me, I would recommend this for social media and light web browsing. So you can get this right now for $170, and then you get another $15 off. Check the box before you check out. This is, it's an Android tablet, and we all know how Android tablets go. They're hard. It's hard for the Android tablets to make their mark in the tablet world because of iPads. But this one is going to do okay. I think it's all right. I mean, it's under $200. There's plenty of other tablets you can choose from, but this is a presentation for this tablet. So if you're interested in something like this, the link will be down below. And hope you enjoy the video. Quick unboxing, first look at this thing. I think the battery life will probably be really good on this, especially for social media. I'll prop this up, use it for an external monitor or something like that for my security system or something like that. I can get some use out of this. Furthermore, give it to a grandchild. This will be that tablet I give to them. I don't want to give them my other tablets and phones and stuff like that, and they can definitely watch content on here and just sit with it all day because I think the battery life will be fantastic. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.